Happy day children. Hope you all have understand the concept of regrouping once. Today we are going to see addition, regrouping twice and thrice. In regrouping twice and thrice, I am going to do the sums in pictorial representation to understand easily. I have divided into two parts with 100 value, tens, ones values and another part tens, ones values. In first part, in hundreds place, only 100 is given. In tens place, how many tens are there? 6 tens are there. In ones place, how many ones are there? 9 ones are there. So, 169. Now take the next part. In tens place, how many values are there? Yes, 8 values are there. In ones place, how many values are there? Yes, 8 values are there. So, 88. Now we are going to add two numbers, 169 plus 88. By using pictorial representation, we have to regroup the numbers. In tens place, 6 values are there. That means 6 tens are there. In another tens place, 8 tens are there. Now you have to regroup these tens by making 10. 6 plus 4. From another tens place, 4 have been taken away with 6. So 6 plus 4, 10. 10 tens are combined together. Here, how many tens are there? 10 tens. Now we got the answer as 10 tens by regrouping method. Now consider ones place values. In first part, 9 ones are there. To make it as 10, you have to take away 1 ones from the next part. After combining these values, you get the answer as 10 ones from this regrouping method. 10 ones. You get the answer as 10 ones. Are you clear, children? We got the values in ones and tens place by regrouping method. Start writing the answer from ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leave the regrouping value in ones place, then write the remaining value. So you got the answer as 7 in ones place. In ones place, we have done regrouping. You got the answer as 10 ones. 10 ones means 1 tens. Already you have existing value as 4 tens. You have to add 4 tens with 10 ones. So 4 tens plus 1 tens equal to 5 tens. Now move to the regrouping done in tens place. How many values are there in tens place after regrouping? 10 tens. So 10 tens equal to 100. Already we have 100. Now we have 100 in regrouping, so totally 2. Are you clear? 10 tens is equal to 100. Already we have 100. So 100 plus 100, 200. Consider the 2 4-digit number. Here we are going to do addition operation. These two numbers are arranged in order by using place values. These two numbers should be written in order which starts from ones place to thousands place. Do the operation, addition operation using number bond method, because if the number is added with another number, you get the value more than 10 means we have to do number bond. Take 9 and 4 from ones place. From these two, which is bigger? 9 is bigger. So, make 9 to 10 by adding one value. That one value will be taken away from 4. You get the answer as 3 if you take 1 away from 4. Now add 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 makes 10. 10 plus the remaining value 3 is there, so you have to add that value. 10 plus 3 makes 13. From 13, 3 ones are there, so you have to write it as 3 in ones place. 1 10 is there, so regroup the value 1 to tens place. That means carry over to the tens place. 9 plus 3 makes 12. 12 plus 1, 13. From 13 you have to write 3 in tens place and 100 carried over to the hundreds place. 6 plus 3 makes 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So you have to write 0 in hundreds place and 1000 is carried to the next place, thousands place. 6 plus 2 makes 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So your answer is 9033. Are you clear, children? Use number bond to do mental addition. This is your final answer by using number bond in regrouping thrice method. Consider two numbers carries 4-digit values. These two numbers are arranged in order using place value. Now starts from ones place, 6 and 5. Here, which is bigger, 6 or 5? 6 is bigger than 5. So you have to take the value 6, that should be rounded to 10. So to make 6 as 10, you have to take away 4 from 5. If you take away 4 from 5, you got the value as 1 remaining. Now add 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 makes 10. 10 plus the remaining value 1 should be added with 10. 10 plus 1 makes 11. 10 plus 1 makes 11. From 11, how many ones and how many tens are there? 1 ones and 1 tens are there. So write 1 ones under ones place and 1 tens will be carried to the tens place. Now add the values in tens place. Already we have done 6 and 5 using number bond. 6 and 5 makes 11. 6 and 5 makes 11. So 11 plus carried value 1 tens. So 11 plus 1, 12. In 12, 2 is in tens place and 100 carried to the hundreds place. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. In thousands place, 2 plus 1, 3. So your final answer is 3621. Here we have done regrouping twice, 2 times. That means carryover happened in tens place and hundreds place. This is regrouping twice. Hope you all have understand the concept regrouping twice and thrice. Thank you, children.